Welcome to FixSoft. In this video, you'll learn how to mirror your mobile phone screen with Windows PC or laptop using a powerful free tool called Screen Copy. This tool lets you mirror and control your Android phone directly from your computer. It works on Windows, macOS, and Linux, and it's completely open source. Today, we'll focus on setting it up on Windows step by step. Let's begin. First, grab your Android phone and open Settings. Scroll down and click on System. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Find Build Number and tap it several times. When it says Developer Options are enabled, go back to Settings. Now you will see a new option as Developer Options. Open it. Now scroll down and turn on USB debugging. Next, we will download Screen Copy on our PC. Open a web browser on your computer. In search bar type Screen Copy and press Enter. Go to the official Screen Copy GitHub page. Scroll down and you will see Releases section. Click on the link. Now again, scroll to the Assets section. Here, you will see download links for both 32 and 64-bit Windows. Choose one you want, and the download will start. Wait until it finishes. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click the zip file and extract its contents to a folder. You will get a new folder of Screen Copy. Now, connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB cable. On your phone, allow the USB connection and make sure the USB mode is set to file transfer. Open the folder where you extracted Screen Copy. Click on the address bar, type CMD, and press Enter. This will open the command prompt inside the Screen Copy folder. In the command prompt, type Screen Copy and press Enter. On your phone, allow the USB debugging permission when prompted. Your Android screen should now appear on your computer. You can control it using your mouse and keyboard just like you normally would on your phone. That's it. You've successfully set up Screen Copy and can now control your Android device directly from your PC. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to FixSoft for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.